Okay, so there are quite some AI tools for Lego already. For example, there are tools that allow you to create a representation of a box of Legos, but BrickCenter goes a step further and actually allows you to create a Lego set yourself. I just enter a description and then the tool generates an image and also indicates what blocks are needed to recreate it, and the size of the item is sometimes added as well. Obviously, it still requires some creativity because you don't receive a drawing of where each block has to go, but you get the final drawing and also which blocks you have to use. So I think it's a really cool starting point, and hopefully they add a feature where they will add schematics or plans to make it even easier to recreate the figure. But BrickCenter is a great start for people that want to create their own Lego sets from just a few words and go from there. So have a nice day and see you in the next video.